Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into a Xiaomi 12. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings. Here choose Against Shortcuts option, and now here we got 5 options of Quick Launch. So for example, I want to activate Launch Camera. Go into this option and tap here to activate your double press to power key button or double press volume down when the screen is locked. So let's try double press to our power key, and how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.